Ryebreads are awesome. The Ryebreads are cool. We vlog at the pool and we vlog after school. We vlog as a family. We vlog every day. And none of us are born at night.
Saturday morning here at the Ryebreads. Abigail's making smoothies. Mom just made us an amazing egg breakfast. Let's go check out Abigail's smoothie making. See how that's coming.
What do we more here? This is not even. Okay.
They know they have 12 sets. They have 5 sets for practice.
Ew.
You're doing great, Abigail.
Oh, yeah, it was the propeller. Okay. Does that look even?
Yep.
It does.
Can I try a bite of yours? Or a bite?
Why don't you go to a straw?
She did.
Wow.
I did.
Way ahead of me.
Yeah. Way. Oh.
Is it yummy?
Mm.
Don't.
It was my first time waking. Now I have to put all the ingredients back.
Why don't you let me do that one? It's heavy and I want to make sure you close it.
What's yummy, Abigail?
Emily! Your smoothie's ready!
All right, well, Abigail and Mom are going out to buy a birthday present for Selena, which is Abigail's friend, and she's got a party today. Our Blizzard Beach fun from the last year. Yeah, we're, how many? Oh, Nanny. Was that a fun trip? Was that a fun ride? Was Nanny funny? Yeah, we had fun with Nanny that day.
My name, or I think they can just put her as a guest.
I did bring my iPod, so maybe I'll film. Maybe
Okay.
there might be a chance.
Yeah. Don't sit there.
careful
Don't
with
sit
that.
there and do musicals the whole time. Go and enjoy the water.
Be careful
It was
with
fun
that.
yesterday.
They're getting that water, even if it's
Yeah. What picture did she want?
Of the kids from the party.
Oh.
Emily just left for the pool. She's going with
Emma?
Emma, yeah. So
Abigail's at a birthday party. This is a rare Saturday afternoon that we have. How much time do we have? We have, an hour and a half.
dude, we'll barely make it out from uptown and home.
Really?
Yeah, we gotta go. See that guy right there? He's vlogging. Wendy and I are going for a quick uptown treat, right?
Interesting.
Headed back to the big building. Gotta go pick something up. I forgot there. Hopefully it's still there. After you, man.
Going down.
This way.
Treadmills right here?
You've never seen this?
Treadmills?
Yeah, treadmills. Free water. All right, room 6. Hopefully it's still here. It is, there it is. All right, phew.
Where?
My memory card. Right there. All right, so the wife and I are upstairs now, 19th floor. Right on the other side of that school is where we parked. This is what I came here for. My memory card. I don't think you can see it as well in the dark. Forgot it. Have to have it. All right, you want to see the other side? This is the fun side over this side. Yeah. This is cool over here, huh? They shine on the building at night. And they put blue things on them so they shine blue. See the blue? They make the side of the building blue. They're called gels. And there's the construction update. Yeah, can you see the mountains?
Yeah.
And then you see the plane taking off over there?
Oh, yeah.
That's the airport. You see how it's like kind of like you can kind of see stuff beyond the trees, like before this side of the mountains. Big building, pretty woman in front of the hotels. See, that's a new hotel going up over there. It's going up quicker than this development. Wow. What a view. What a view. you can see the mountains way over there. That's Kings Mountain. And I don't know what those mountains are over there.
Crowder's or Crowder's Mountain?
Yeah, you know what? You could be right. That's Kings Mountain probably, and that's Crowder's Mountain over there. I think you're right, Len. Nice. All right, well, let's go pick up the girls. Let's do this. And you can see Speed Street down there. So I win.
For what?
I win best building ever worked in.
Yeah, you kind of do. Although my Group W building was nice. Not as nice as that.
Yeah, it was 3 floors and it was on the water, and that's still better.
Yeah, it was on the water. That's why I'm saying it was nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice building.
That is a nice building.
I wouldn't mind working in that building.
Maybe you will. Maybe you will.
I'm not complaining. I have it good right now. Better than I've ever had it. So.
I agree with that.
So I'm not complaining.
Heading back south to pick up the ladies. Well, actually, Abigail, just Abigail.
Yeah.
We gotta hustle. We're late.
Yeah, we do.
Was there,
Look, she's a butterfly. Are you a butterfly?
yes.
Who did your face?
Butterfly in her pajamas.
Girl.
It was a pajama party. She had her nails done. Can't wait to see those. All right, I'm ready to take care of the beach ball. Protection. It's all about protection. You got to protect yourself.
Where the heck is the big hole?
Right here. Here's the hole.
Can I see?
Push out the air on you. No, stop.
Oh, that feels good.
That's a bummer that didn't work out. Oh well, fail. But to reward ourselves for failing to blow up the ball, let's go to dinner. All right, here we are at the Buffalo Wings and Rings with their giant sign. That's right, family's coming in.
Oh, do you want? I kind of wouldn't mind sitting outside. What about you, Todd?
Those darn rip-off games in the arcade, they just swindled us for like dollars.
I tried twice. I had the thing. The second it went on the little
Wish you
crack
could
with the
smell
hole.
it right now.
Oh my God, it's terrible.
Yeah, it was.
You know what I want to do? I just want to stick my hand in and grab one. I'm literally gonna do that.
Next time we will.
Even fit in there, but I
No,
couldn't.
we should go back in there and do that.
Now we can't afford ice cream.
No, Dad, we should go back in there and do that because that ball was on the edge, so someone could just stick their hand up in there and grab it.
We should push Abigail in there. Yeah. Abigail can go up in there and get the stuff. All right, we're sitting out here waiting for the girls to get their ice cream. This is Lorenzo's Pizza. You can see over there it looks dark because it is going to rain. All right, well the girls got their ice cream. That looks really good, Abigail.
Abigail's gonna give Mommy a taste of hers.
And the sky has just turned on fire. Look at that. I love when the sunset does that. So how was the ice cream, girls? Did you guys like the ice cream?
Still
All right.
yours. I only got a little cut.
There's the sky. All right, well, you guys be the best human being you can be, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on Sunday. Fun Sunday Saturday today with the family. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, you ready for some more Ryebreads? Yeah, me too. Just click over here to check out our family's journey. We're a family of 4 here in Charlotte, North Carolina, just providing some daily entertainment on YouTube. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.